their data has not only been exfiltrated, it's been destroyed. So they can no longer resume business, but also their data's out in the wild being ransomed. Part of what SecureWon is very skilled at is not just the technical side of it, but also the human element there, where we guide them through the whole process, where they feel very like they have someone by their side throughout the whole thing from start to finish.
Just like we always tell people, there's no such thing as 100% safety in anything that we do. I always love it because people think, oh, we have you guys come in, so now we're 100% covered, right? It's like, no, you're not 100% covered. You never are. Because if someone's good enough, they can get in. That's just the way it is. You can have every single system. You can pay millions of dollars. Big companies pay millions of dollars for their security, still get hacked. We found they got hit by that large Hathi group. We knew this was, okay, we really need all boots on the ground. Let's get in and start doing this. And our team worked, I think at the end, put out 85 hours in to get them from being hacked. Thankfully, they didn't get anything. They had good backups. We were able to restore their backups. Our engineers rebuilt all of their DNCs. Everything they needed was rebuilt out from their backups. And we had them back up and live in about a week and a half, which for a major hacking hit is pretty good.
So in general, in an incident, you have the stages are to identify and then contain, eradicate, recover, and then there's a lessons learned piece to all that. Feedback has been pretty positive, having SecureWon on site from the beginning through the end.